Toolset lets you add maps with markers to any page. You can style the map and choose where to place the markers. In this lesson, we teach you how to create a static map with one marker or more. Typically, you'll include such maps on your About Us or Contact pages. Let's start with a blank page, and we'll just insert a map block. When you first insert the map block, two tabs are created on the right-hand side. One for the map itself, and the other is an initial marker. Notice that both have generic names, which we can rename if we wish to. The source for this marker right now is the address field. So if I put in the address 20 West 34th Street, New York, we've now centered our map around the Empire State Building in New York City. From there, if we wish to, we can change the look of our markers. And even add pop-up text on clicks. And if we want more markers, just click the Add Marker button. And we'll put in Statue of Liberty. And if I want to change the marker icon, I can unlock the Use the Maps icon settings for this marker and select a different one. And there you go. The map now zooms out to contain all the markers.